outside the Cleveland County Courthouse on a windy day in Norman, Oklahoma. I'm Dave Morris. Inside the courtroom this afternoon, Judge Balkman again heard from attorneys from the state of Oklahoma and Johnson & Johnson in the Oklahoma Opioid Trial. It was a 7-week trial that concluded at the end of July. The ruling issued by Judge Balkman, handed down August 26th, said that Johnson & Johnson would have to pay $572 million to abate the Oklahoma opioid crisis. The state argued whether that was a one-time fee or whether that attorneys could come back every year to argue that the crisis had not been abated. Johnson & Johnson opposed those views. Judge Balkman gave both sides over a half hour to argue today in today's hearing. The big news to come out of today's hearing is Judge Balkman said he made a calculation error in his initial ruling, and that the amount that Johnson & Johnson would have to pay, part of that would not be $107 million, but that would be reduced to $107,600.
I acknowledge that the computing error contained in my August 26th judgment. The cost for Johnson & Johnson to pay for the development and dissemination of NAS, or neonatal abstinence syndrome, treatment evaluation standards, including continuing education courses, is $107,683. That will be the last time I use that calculator.
Now, as far as the rest of what both sides argued today, the judge said he would take that under advisement and would rule later.
And in my forthcoming ruling, I will include the correction to the math error.
There was a lot in the record today for the judge to consider. Continuing jurisdiction over the case, the issue of how we ensure that this abatement is going to be addressed in a comprehensive way. So other than that, we'll let the record speak for itself today. We'll have more questions.
You can watch full proceedings from today online at oklahoman.com. The Oklahoman's Randy Ellis, as he has been all summer, was in the courtroom today. You can read his coverage online at oklahoman.com and in upcoming editions of the Oklahoman. And our Chris Landsberger was inside shooting photos. You can watch those pictures or see those pictures online at oklahoman.com, as well as extensive coverage from throughout the summer of this trial on our website. From the Cleveland County Courthouse in Norman, Oklahoma, reporting for the Oklahoman, I'm Dave Morris.